Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is the Bape Adidas collaboration bag. I think it's a shoulder bag. Very nice. Got it on the Adidas from Malaysia website. So let's have a close look at it. I think this is underappreciated in my opinion. So you have the embossed camo on the bag. It feels really good. Could be leather, not too sure. But the highlight, of course, is this Bape head, reflective gold Bape head. It's metal, definitely. It's not plastic. Very nice touch. And you've got all the zippers in gold as well, with the logos. So it's all very nice. See right there. You got the tags. So just go through that. So it's 519 ringgit, right? So you have the Adidas tags here all over. Yeah, you can see that. I think they're all Adidas tags, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So the Bape camo is very nicely done, very subtle. Can't really tell from afar, right? I like the 3D kind of Adidas stripes there that goes around. Again, the hooks, the buttons, these are Adidas logo. The zips are all very nicely done. You got a front pocket here. So on the inside, yeah, still leather. Oh, it's got that thing, fabric thingy. I don't know how you pronounce, how you call it. And on the inside, you have pockets. Oh, you got a longer strap. Okay, there you go. You got a longer strap, go over your shoulders, which is nice. Tag here, made in Vietnam. Alright. And you have the Bape Adidas logo there. Small little pocket here. Front pocket here. And on the back, the tag here. I'm going all over the place. There's so many tags. The zipper here, which is also in the Adidas gold logo right there. Very nicely done. So it's just one entry, one opening, I would say. All right, very nicely done. So let's do the So there's it's a two-way kind of bag. You know how in Japan they like to call it two-way, three-way. So you got two-way, you can hand carry it. And attach the shoulder strap right there. Okay, so you've also got the gold hook right there. All very nicely done. Now we shall do a fit test. Now, of course, this is going to be a daily thing, walking companion bag. So I always bring my ROG Ally X, which should fit inside. Right. No problem. All right, you can see plenty of space still for a power bank. Of course, there's no other compartments other than this small little opening here, and it's pretty small, pretty tight as well. But yeah, it can fit my hand, no problems. And let's see, can you fit a bottle? It's I think it's a 2-liter bottle. Yeah, 2-liter bottle, no problems. All right, you can easily close. And of course, you can bring this to the pickleball courts, I think. So you can see here my earlier video about this. Let's see if you can fit it in. This is a 16mm pickleball paddle. I'm doing all this one-handed. Let's see. Put on the cover as well. So this one doesn't go all the way in. All right. So yeah, the handle sticks out. Not a big deal, because normally you have the handle sticking out like that. Carry a few balls as well. Alright. So definitely very practical. Still, you can see there, right? And you can also still fit a 500, I think this is a 300 ml bottle inside, right there. Yeah, snug. See right there. And you can still fit the ROG Ally, I believe. Wait, let me twist this. Let me put it aside. Of course, if I take out the paddle cover, it'll be a lot better. So you can see here, I fit the ROG Ally X console, mini PC, whatever you want to call it, handheld PC. Got the 300 ml bottle. I've got the pickleball paddle, right? The front, you can still put stuff inside. Yeah, your cards, your credit cards, your stuff, car keys and things like that. So overall, I think it's a very nice, fashionable piece of bag. You can bring it around with you. Definitely a sleeper hit, in my opinion. Yeah, but it only comes in white, which is fine, which is reminiscent of the Superstar black and white simple colorway, which I really like. So retro. And yeah, that's my video. Hope you like it. Yep, subscribe to me at LKHOE23, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.